Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be talking about Aptos 2.0 and of course Celestia, the new two decentralized blockchain platforms or projects that are being developed out there. We'll be checking their website, we'll be going through the different sections and of course discuss their socials. You will be finding all of the links and resources used in this video on the description below, so make sure you check it out. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So we are diving into Aptos 2.0, the latest evolution of the Aptos blockchain, and it's all about making decentralized application or dApps faster, more efficient, and of course easier for developers to work with. So let's talk about what sets Aptos 2.0 apart. First of all, I want to talk about the design of their website. As you can see here, everything is really interactive. Here they have a small section where they are showcasing the products. You can go through the different sections from Aptos Build to Aptos Wallet, Aptos Explorer, and everything else. They have here a featured press where they are releasing different articles, and these articles are some sorts of updates that they are releasing. Of course, you can be reading more about these articles on their X page, which we're going to be going through in a bit, or of course on their Medium page where they are also releasing the latest updates. Going down a little bit here, they have also the Aptos Explorer and the Aptos Names, the Aptos Ascend, and of course here they have the list of the partners that they have from Google iCloud, MasterCard, Microsoft, and NBC Universal. And they have here PayPal, Multicoin Capital, Dragonfly, Apollo as investors. Of course, here they have the different articles that I already talked about, and they have a GitHub page, they have a Discord network, they have X, Medium, and of course a LinkedIn page, so make sure you check out their socials. And one of the big highlights here is that the parallel execution of the engine. We're gonna go first to the products. So unlike many blockchains that handle transactions one at a time, Aptos 2.0 processes them simultaneously. What does this mean? This means that there is less congestion and much more high transaction speeds, which is crucial for any high demand application. Now, a major focus for Aptos 2.0 is decentralization, as I said, which is key to a trustworthy network, and it is supported by a strong network of validators spread out across different regions, and there is no single group has control over the whole thing, which makes it secure and reliable. If we go to the careers sections, you will be, of course, finding some open positions that they have here, where you could be working with the Aptos Labs and you could be actually joining the team. And last but not least, in the research section, yes, here. So another cool part is that they have a modular design. So Aptos 2.0 lets developer upgrade and adjust parts in the blockchain as needed without disturbing the entire ecosystem, and that means it can keep evolving smoothly, adapting as new use cases emerge. And in the Aptos 2.0 project, it uses the Move programming language, and Move was built specifically for safe, efficient, and smart contracts, as I said earlier, making it both flexible for developers and more secure. The feedback so far, developers love it, how it reduces latency and gives them the tools to create scalable dApps. And of course, here in the blocks section, they have here, of course, some articles and some updates that they will be implementing in the future, and this is what is looking the future. Aptos 2.0 is focused on growing its ecosystem, especially in areas like development and DeFi and gaming, while also expanding its validator network and building partnerships with other platforms. The goal here is to integrate even more layer 2 solutions to keep up with demand as the platform grows. So what makes this Aptos 2.0 project stand out? It is the combination of high performance, decentralization, and a developer-friendly approach, which is unique, or it has unique features like parallel transaction processing, and it is quickly established establishing itself as a real competitor to other layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum and of course Solana. So like I said, if you are interested to know more about Aptos, you will be finding all of the links in the description below. They have also their X page where you could be, of course, checking out their latest updates. And they have also their Medium page where you could be actually getting quick updates for whatever they are doing. Moving on to the second project, which is a pretty exciting project for me, and it's called celestia.org. That's the website, and the project is called Celestia. You will be finding all of the links in the description below, so make sure to check out those links. And it is, like I said, a pretty exciting project in the blockchain space that is rethinking how blockchains are built. So Celestia is a decentralized modular blockchain network, and it focuses on separating two key aspects of blockchain technology: consonance and data availability. And of course, I really enjoy scrolling even through the website because it is really well put together, and it is really informative, and you can be getting a lot of really cool informations. Of course, here they have a small community section from the X, Discord, GitHub, Telegram forum, and of course Reddit. You'll be finding all of the links in the description below, so make sure you check out those. They have even a small blog section for the updates that of course we're going to be discussing in a little bit. So let me just go to this section right here. So what does consonance and data availability that I talked about earlier mean? So most blockchains are monolithic, meaning that they handle consonance, data, and execution all in one place. But Celestia takes a different approach. It allows developers to build custom blockchain or decentralized application in general on top of its network, and they can also rely on Celestia's infrastructure for consonance and data availability, and this modular design actually gives developers more control and flexibility. So one of the main features that I like about Celestia is actually data availability sampling, or DAS, and this tech allows nodes to confirm data availability without having to download the entire blockchain. It is a huge deal because it reduces the resource demands and on validators and making it easier for the centralized project to scale while staying efficient. Of course, another feature worth mentioning is Celestia shared security model. With this setup, multiple blockchains can share the same consonance layer, which provides a strong security foundation for a new project. And if you are a developer, you can launch a decentralized application or even a new blockchain without the need to build your own consonance layer from scratch. Let's just go here to their white paper or their research paper, because it is really interesting, and we're gonna go of course to the Celestia docs in a bit. Let me just go through the Celestia big emphasis on interoperability. So blockchains built on Celestia network can communicate with each other, creating a seamless multi-chain environment. So this means that assets and data can move between different ecosystems, promoting a more connected, decentralized world. So the response from the community has been really positive, especially from developers. Many see Celestia as a game changer because it lets project launch without huge infrastructure costs, and its modular approach is truly innovative in the space. Looking ahead, Celestia has big plans to onboard more layer 2 solutions and decentralized applications that can of course leverage its shared security and modular design. They're also working on integrating with other blockchain projects, and that's really gonna be interesting. So in short, Celestia stands out by offering a modular approach to the blockchain infrastructure by separating consonance and execution, and it's opening up exciting and new possibilities to decentralized, scalable, and of course flexible application. So if you're interested in the future of blockchain architecture, Celestia is definitely a project to watch. Of course, you will be finding all of the links in the description below, from the website to their socials. They have a pretty huge X, really active on their socials. They are posting a lot of updates, and they have a really huge community on their socials. Of course, they have also a Reddit page where they are also posting regularly a lot of new updates and new features, and it is going to be really interesting for you to just check out their community, because it is a pretty huge community and it's going bigger and bigger. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about Celestia and we talked about Aptos 2.0s.
Of course, you'll be finding all of the links and resources used in this video in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Of course, the resources will be in the description below, so make sure you click those links below, and have a good day. Bye bye.